Hi guys, you all are welcome to the final segment of our training class. And today's training is all about skin whitening. And these are of different categories: the snow white, the half caste, the Egyptian white, and the crystal white. Okay, depending on whatever whitenings you want to prepare, these are the ingredients we gonna need. But before that, please, if you're choosing your black soap, please make sure your organic black soap looks like this one. It is very essential that you get the original organic black soap because there are lots of fake black soap out there, and if you get the fake one, you're not going to get what you want. In fact, it's gonna give you skin irritation. So it is important that you get the original organic black soap like this one. Then, and do not forget, our black soap before your preparation must have been soaked in rice water for 24 hours. And I say the best way to do this is to soak the soap. Okay, having soaked our black soap in rice water for 24 hours, this is how it looks like. And I said the easier way to do this is to soak the soap overnight. And the reason why we soak our black soap in rice water is because it impacts whitening effect to the skin, and it leaves a gentle glow on the face when you use it regularly as a face wash. Okay, now we are going to add our water face. Don't forget, just like the lightning one we prepared yesterday, we have oil face and water face. So we had our water face, and this is called umiaru. We have 1 teaspoon of umiaru. And we had 1 teaspoon of rose water. You missed it. Then we had our oil face. This is carrot serum. Our oils are 1 teaspoon each. We had our lemon essential oil. And we had our sweet almond oil. Then we had our honey. Having done that, this is called Epsom salt. This Epsom salt is going to be dissolved in a warm water. So we are going to prepare our warm water and dissolve this Epsom salt in it. Please, this preparation, don't forget, is for any category of the whitening you want to prepare. Just take note. Then this honey powder, we are going to add this honey powder to our preparation. And this we are adding 1 teaspoon of this honey powder. It is organic and is 100% natural. Okay, having melt our Epsom salt in warm water, this is what it looks like. Then we are going to add it to our soup. Okay, then we add kojic acid. This is kojic acid. We add half teaspoon each of this. We add kojic acid, half teaspoon. This is glutathione. We add half teaspoon of glutathione powder. All these are whitening agents. This is collagen. We add half teaspoon of collagen. Then we add oats. Don't forget, we add this oat flour to our preparation. We add half teaspoon. Then we add milk powder. This is turmeric. This is sandalwood powder. Half teaspoon each. Then we had our orange peel powder. This is also essential because it contains a lot of vitamin C, which is important to the skin. We had half teaspoon of orange peel powder. Okay, having had all this powder to our preparation, now please, I would like you to take note. Having had all these ingredients together, please take note of what I wanted to explain now. All these ingredients we've added together here are common to all the whitening categories. They are all the same to this level. All these things we've added, whatever whitening category you want to prepare, you must add all this to them. Okay, now the one we want to prepare first is Snow White. This is Snow White powder. So if the whitening category we want to prepare is Snow White, we are going to add this Snow White powder to this preparation. And the quantity you're going to add is 50 gram. And remember, this our preparation is the half of this. Is the half of this mold. Then if you are to prepare this full mold, you will add this 50 gram of Snow White powder to it. But now that we're preparing the half, we add the half of this Snow White powder to this preparation. Okay, that is for Snow White. Now if you are to prepare the half cast, we had, this is Philippine powder. we add 1 teaspoon of this Philippine powder to our preparation, to this preparation we've prepared. This is Philippine powder. Then we add goat milk powder. Please do not forget, all this is stated in the ebook that will be provided to you, but just take note of this as I'm explaining it. This is goat milk and Filipino powder will be added. Now the last if one we are preparing our half cast. We are preparing the crystal white. We add our snow white powder, the rice powder, and the goat milk powder and licorice powder to give us our crystal now white. We are going to prepare the Egyptian whitening soap. So we had our goat milk powder, and remember I said this preparation, this container is 50 gram, then we are going to add 25 gram to this soap. We are adding half of this container, which is already half of the container in it. Then we add it to our soap. Goat milk. Then this is our rice powder. We add 1 tablespoon of rice powder to this. This is rice powder. Then we had our licorice powder. This is essential oil. It is actually a fragrance oil, so it is optional. If you like, you can add it to your soap, but I normally add fragrance oil to my soap to give it a very nice fragrance. So this one is strawberry. I'm adding this. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of strawberry to my soap. It's going to give it a very nice fragrance. Okay, this is our Egyptian whitening soap. This is